Barrel so we can take it back.
How is that?
Got it. Okay, coming behind here. No trouble.
Yeah, no problem. Just throw me off the roof. I get in the way.
I don't mind.
Walk it, eh?
Going that way?
Yeah, you must put that sheet on, I guess.
Okay.
Then I guess we gotta cut these in, or else we'll
Let's run it wild.
fighting it.
Well,
Or actually, the way you got it laid out, it lays out, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So we don't have
you
to
don't need
worry about-
HClips or anything.
Perfect. Okay, then I'm not worried about that. We can fill those in as we go. So just do that one over there. By chance, it just breaks.
Yeah. No, it hasn't happened.
Plywood, shit.
Hasn't happened to me yet. Good.
Good?
Yep. Of all the music you decide to play, you decide to play, and this is what you choose.
Say what? I can't hear you over. Why?
Oh, for your man sneezing? Of all the music you decide to play, and you have a choice in the matter, and this is what you choose.
What's wrong with it?
Oh, just everything.
I have a roller line on this one. Yeah, we'll cut that off. No sense in running it.
Oh, why'd you nail it on that side of the wall then? No reason, fuck it, don't worry about it.
We're not like shit. Yeah, player. Curious to see what we end up with here. Oh, look at that, eh? It's almost full seat at the top.
Nice.
Well, just over 3 feet, so. Pretty good. I think when you end up with like that 8-inch strip or whatever,
Yeah,
using your
or
it
4.
throws your fucking teeth out real bad.
I got it. So we going here?
Yeah, that started on that one there.
This one?
Yeah. Oh yeah. I think it adjusted.
Got it. I got it. Didn't work this time, eh?
Not quite. Oh, hang on. I fucking have a love-hate relationship with these things.
HClips. HClips.
Oh, that
There you go.
Over exaggerate it, hammer it down later. Good there. Bottom hooked on that one. Bottom hooked on this one.
There you go.
How are you on your end there?
Could come to me a bit. Yeah?
Yeah, that's good. Perfect. Ask Connor for a battery for the gun.
Okay.
He's gonna need one soon.
31 and 16th. Hey, Connor!
What do you need, buddy?
We need a Milwaukee battery for the gun.
Is there one on the corner?
I don't think so.
Where's his batteries?
Huh?
Where's his batteries?
I don't know.
Where are your batteries? In my big Milwaukee case. Nice to finally see this.
There we go.
I think they'll like doing this today.
Hey, Randy.
It's about a bar and a half, I would say.
Does this fascia look straight?
Yeah, with it raising.
Yeah? Like, could this come out a bit?
It looks a little bit out there, not much.
Here though? Could it come out a bit?
I don't think it's enough to worry about.
Well, it's because we have a different measurement here. We got 31 and a 16th, and then 30 and 7/8 ish. Oh yeah, okay. Okay, good. That's what I'm seeing.
That's not that bad though.
No. That's just
I was gonna tell you a gay joke, but fuck it.
Wow.
Get it?
I wasn't listening.
That's what gay guys do.
What do they do?
I was gonna tell you a gay joke, but fuck it.
How dare you talk about my people like that?
I knew they were your people.
I knew it! Cock! Nope!
Now we don't have to poly a bunch of shit off either. Fucking poly.
What do you got against Paulie? Jeez. Well, let's not backsheet if we don't have to. Oh, yeah, we don't have to.
This
Right. Yeah, it needs an H-clip. Doesn't need an H-clip, yeah.
No, that's why I was like, ah, fuck, I can that's restart. asking me.
You lost it for us, Gunner. You lost it for yourself. You know, I remember what that's from?
I recognize it, but I don't remember what it's
Mighty Ducks 2. Should be good.
Thank you, sir.
Yup.
That can
Behind
also
it.
have to do with it. For whatever reason, these sheets are low.
I doubt it.
Got a gap there. I mean, whatever we're doing with this line a bit.
Yeah, we could be a little bit. Coming behind here.
No problem, I don't mind.
No, don't worry about me. Don't worry about old Jared none. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Holy God. Shooting through her.
Fuck.
Diaper.